How should you respond to a lowball offer on your home? Getting a lowball offer on your home can feel like a punch in the gut. But before you reject it outright, let's talk about strategy. The housing market in 2025 has seen some shifts with home prices still high and interest rates hovering around the high 6 to low 7%. So, how should you respond to a lowball offer while still maximizing your sale? Stick around and I'll break down the best approach. Hey, I'm Kia Potter, a real estate agent helping homeowners navigate today's market with confidence. With inventory still tight and buyers being cautious with their offers, it's not uncommon to receive an offer lower than expected. But here's the truth: a low offer doesn't mean you're stuck. You just need the right strategy to turn it into a win. Let's dive into 3 smart ways to respond. 1, you want to recheck the market comps before you react. Double check that the offer is actually low. The market moves fast and home values can still shift in just a few weeks. Some experts predict a 5% increase this spring, so make sure your pricing is still accurate. You want to look at the sales of comparable homes in your area. You can also ask the buyer agent where they got their numbers. Sometimes they're just misinformed. If you can show them stronger comps, they may be willing to adjust their offer without much negotiation. Almost always counteroffer. Once you've confirmed your home's value, don't walk away too fast. It's usually worth countering unless the buyer isn't serious. Some buyers start low just to see if they can get a deal. If they refuse to negotiate or immediately shut down your counter, they probably weren't serious to begin with. But in most cases, a counter offer keeps the conversation going and it gets you closer to your goal. And then number 3, find a middle ground with better terms. Price isn't the only thing up for negotiation. Some buyers submit low offers because they're short on cash, not because they're trying to take advantage of you. Instead of lowering your price, consider asking for better terms like a shorter inspection period, a rent back or lease back, or fewer contingencies. If the price is still the sticking point, offering to cover some of the closing costs or buying down their interest rate might help bridge the gap without sacrificing your bottom line. Lowball offers aren't fun, but they don't have to be deal breakers. So if you're selling this spring and want expert advice on pricing, negotiating, or market trends, let's talk. Call or email me today. I'm here to help get you the best deal possible.